How to trade digital options. On the right-hand side, the chart is accompanied by several price levels. These are strike prices, or in other words, target levels that the closing price should go above or below for the position to close in the money. When choosing different strike prices, you can see how the profitability is changing on the higher and lower buttons. It depends on whether the asset price can reach the set strike level in the chosen direction or not. The lower the probability that the price reaches the strike level, the more the profit, up to 900%. Choose a strike price. Then specify the amount of your investment by clicking the Amount button on the right-hand side panel. Choose the expiration time, the moment when the option ceases to exist, by pressing the Time button. The expiration time is shown on the chart by the solid red line. The dotted line on the chart indicates the purchase deadline. Up to this time, you can buy as many options of the same asset as you wish at different strike prices and both in the higher and lower directions. Now select the direction of the price movement. If you think the closing price will be lower than the chosen strike price, click Lower. If you expect the closing price to be higher than the chosen strike price, press Higher. After the transaction crosses the red line and expires, you will see the final result, either a green window and the earned profit, or the red window and the amount of loss. Have a nice trading experience.